Welcome to my shadowing practice, day 2. Today's content comes from a Chinese romance novel published in 2005. If you haven't seen the shadowing practice yesterday, please click here to check it out. Yesterday, we covered many instances of neutral tone, and we will meet these structures again today. As I read, please pay attention where I read lightly and where I put emphasis. And what am I trying to highlight in the stressed parts?
在罗马广场，他们请一位正在太阳伞下喝咖啡的德国老人为他们拍照。这位头发花白的德国老先生或许是一个摄影爱好者，他热心而骄傲地选择了几处很有特色的背景，为他们照了10几张合影。这才怡然自得地继续去品味他那杯已经没有了热气的咖啡。
Unlike yesterday's piece, which discussed everyday habits, today's content is highly literary, so many words are not very conversational, such as this, 或许, 怡然自得, 品味. In your everyday life, you actually can use more speaking way to say them. 也许, 可能 instead of 或许. 开心, 满意 instead of 怡然自得. 享受 or just 喝 instead of 品味. This passage has long descriptive phrases in almost every part, all linked by the. In daily life, we actually don't use such lengthy modifiers, but this is a great piece of material for you to get familiar with the modification structure. 在 with the place. 他们 subject. 请 in Chinese has the meaning of please, but also has the meaning of ask someone do something. So 请 someone is 德国老人. What types of 德国老人 and the linked the descriptions. 一位正在太阳伞下喝咖啡. The whole parts are descriptions. 一位 formal way to say a people. 位 because this is a senior people. So we need to be more polite. Use 位 measure words, polite measure words. 一位正在 do something. 正在 somewhere do something. 为他们拍照 for them take pictures. So ask these 德国老人 to take the picture for them. And continue descriptions. 这位 these 头发花白的德国老人。头发 hair, 花 flower, 白 white or gray. 头发花白 which means gray hair but not totally gray hair. 或许 formal way to say maybe. 是一个 a 摄影爱好者。爱好者 big fan of something, photography. 摄影爱好者。他热心而骄傲的 This is two adjectives. We use are to use the function as and. Because and, if you translate to 和, only able to link nouns. But here are two adjectives, so we need to say 热心而骄傲的。选择了 picked. 几处很有特色的背景 background. What types of background? 很有特色的。怡然自得的 also the to link. You might notice this the looks different as other the. This the we link the description before the verb. And this the is what we link the descriptions of a noun. 他那杯已经没有了热气的咖啡 also long descriptions. His, that cup, already not hot anymore. 咖啡。
在罗马广场，他们请一位正在太阳伞下喝咖啡的德国老人为他们拍照。这位头发花白的德国老先生或许是一个摄影爱好者， 他热心而骄傲地选择了几处很有特色的背景，为他们照了10几张合影，这才怡然自得地继续去品味他那杯已经没有了热气的咖啡。
Tomorrow's shadowing practice, we're using the content from my podcast, which means that will be more conversational and more suitable for your daily using. If you want to learn conversational Chinese from scratch, then you can follow my online classes in the description below. I will see you in tomorrow's practice.